نێکست هەنگاوی داهاتووی تۆیە.
Hello everyone, my name is Kara. Today we have a really special guest, Dr. Randall Rhodes, the president of the American University of Kurdistan. Hello doctor, it's such a nice pleasure to be doing a podcast with you.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you. Thank you for your time, and I'm not going to ask you any cliche questions. Firstly, welcome to the Nێکست fair. Before anything, could you please give us an idea of Nێکست fair? What do you think of it?
I'm very pleased. This is the first time we participated in Nێکست, and I'm especially enjoying meeting the various high schoolers and other students who are looking for educational opportunities across Kurdistan. They're very bright, they're very articulate, they're very motivated. It's an excellent audience for us to do a recruitment event. So I thank everyone for inviting AUK to participate.
Doctor, I want to know the opportunities, the AUK, and how can the AUK benefit from the Kurdistan education system?
Well, AUK follows the application and admission guidelines of the Ministry of Higher Education. Otherwise, even though we're a public institution, we are independent of many of those rules and regulations. The main reason is because we are seeking U.S. accreditation. We've already seen the candidacy phase from the New England Commission of Higher Education. So therefore, the higher education ecosystem understands the value of having institutions that are American style here in Kurdistan, because we are able to introduce international best practices, American standards, and then adopt them, adapt them to the needs of Kurdistan, and then share those with other universities across the region.
Thank you so much. Could you please tell us about your scholarship opportunities in AUK, and could you please give a brief explanation about them?
So we do have some scholarships from various donors and various grants. The most famous one is the U.S. Department of State scholarships that we've been providing for the past few years. Those are full scholarships. There aren't any more for this year, but we have many donors from across Kurdistan, corporates and privates, who are also providing scholarships. So our aim is to have at least 50 to 75 free scholarships for students, and that sometimes that even covers the housing, it covers other expenses, so they're able to study financially secure. So we still have scholarship seats open for January candidates.
That's a really great opportunity for students, actually. Lastly, this is a personal question. If you could add a new program to the AUK, what will it be?
Well, we just opened this past month a master's in AI. What I'm looking at is, I'm not going to duplicate programs that are out there. I'm not going to have programs where there are no jobs, no career opportunities. We have to do market studies and feasibility studies on a regular basis so that we produce the graduates who will be working in future careers, in future workplaces. So we have to try to forecast 10 years, 20 years from now, what will be the industries that will drive the Kurdistan economy, and create graduates for those. So right now, we may not even know 5 years, 10 years from now what is needed. So we always have to be a few steps ahead rather than producing academic programs that are from 10, 20, or 30 years ago.
Thank you so much. It was a really great honor to be doing this podcast with you. Thank you for your time. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.